Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I have a special sweet treat for you today. We are going to be making bacon candy. If you don't know what bacon candy is, it is cooked bacon with a sticky sweetness to it, and it makes it taste just like candy. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get right to making this goodness, and we're also going to be smoking it out on the Traeger. Smoked bacon candy. Here we go. Okay, the first thing we got to do is we got to make our sticky candy sauce. And what I'll be using is this sweet agave, and I will be using some real maple syrup. Don't skip on the syrup. Get the real stuff. I know it's a little bit more expensive, but it'll make it that much better tasting. I don't have any measurements. I just go by feel or by sight. So I'm going to start mixing this stuff, and then we're going to add a little bit of the brown sugar in this mix also. But I will be sprinkling a lot of brown sugar on the bacon, so I'll just be putting a little bit of the brown sugar in this mixture here. So let's get mixing this up. And now for a little brown sugar. Don't need to get crazy at this point, just a little bit. Yeah, that should be plenty. All right, let's get this all mixed up. All right, this is all mixed up. Let's get the bacon ready. All right, we're going to be using our cherry wood thick cut bacon. Let's get this bacon out of the package and onto the sheet. All right, let's get it all pulled apart and spread out. And I think that's about all we're going to have room for here. Maybe I get one more. Let's see. There we go. All right, the other stuff I'll save and cook up later. Okay, now we're going to spread on our sticky sauce here. Make sure everything gets coated real good. All right, let's get the brown sugar on there. Now this brown sugar is going to melt, and it's going to give it even a more sticky feel to it and add a lot of flavor. There's some bare spots here, so I'm going to have to add a little bit more. Then I'll spread it around. All right, I think that's good. All right, let's spread it out a little bit. All right, I'm going to flip this, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. And then I'll meet back up with you when it's time to put it on the smoker. All right, we almost got the Traeger up to 350. And we're going to cook this bacon on the first side for 30 minutes. And then we're going to flip the bacon over, cook it for another 30 minutes at 350. And then we'll see where we're at from there. We might have to go a little bit longer, who knows? But I won't know that until after the hour's over. So let's get this bacon on. I'm getting hungry for this bacon candy. All right, we'll close it up and I'll see you in 30 minutes. Okay, as you can tell, it got dark on me. I hate these short winter days, but we got to do what we got to do. So let's get this bacon flipped. It's been 30 minutes. That is looking really good. Let's get this stuff flipped here. Well, you can tell how sticky it is by the tongs sticking to it. All right, let's get another coating on it. Man, this is looking so good. All right, let's put it back in there for another 30 minutes and we'll be back. All right, let's give this bacon a check. It's been another 30 minutes. Yeah, I think we're going to flip it one more time. Man, that's sticky. All right, we're going to check it in another 15 minutes. Matter of fact, let me put some more good stuff on it, since I got some left. All right, I'll be back in about 15 minutes. All right, it's been another 15 minutes. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, I think I'm going to flip them one more time, leave them on for 10 minutes, and then we're going to call them good. Even though it looks like the bacon is flimsy right now, when it cools, it's going to get very stiff. It's going to harden with all that stickiness on it. But I'm going to give it about 10 more minutes after I get these flipped, and then we're going to call it. Oh man, that bacon looks so yummy and sweet and sticky. Oh my gosh. Look at that. All right, 10 more minutes and we're gonna take these off. All right, let's get this candy bacon off of the smoker. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Perfectly cooked. Let's get it inside. All right, let's get it pulled off the rack and get it on the cooling board. As it cools, it's going to stiffen. And this stuff is sticky. All right, we're going to let this cool down, stiffen up, and I'll be back for a taste test. And here we go, the finished product. It looks absolutely amazing. Let's give it a taste test. See how stiff it is? It's exactly what you're looking for. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh my gosh, the sweetness of this. It actually tastes like candy. This is definitely a winner. You have to try it. Well, this is not going to last long. Oh my gosh, look at that. One more. You definitely taste the brown sugar, the maple syrup, and the agave. And the smoke flavor comes out pretty good. And the more cooked it is, the more crunchier it is. This is one time where crunchy bacon isn't so bad. But it's not all crunchy. Just a couple little pieces that are a little bit cooked more. This is very good. Incredible. As always, thank you for watching. I appreciate you watching my videos. If you're new here, please subscribe. And you can watch me make very simple, interesting food. I'll catch everybody on the next one. Take care. I'm sorry, I'm back. This is freaking incredible. I can't believe how good this turned out. This is actually freaking bacon candy. You got to do this. All right, I'm out. Oh my God. I'm really out this time. Take care, everybody.